What's up guys, Samantha35 here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and actually use the Soyan 3D printing pen on a piece of paper. So the setup's very simple. I'm going to just jump right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is plug in the power cord. I have it plugged into my brick back here, but you can't see that. So you're just going to plug that into this little power port here. Put that in, and now this little yellow LED light will turn on. So all you're going to do from there is click this top button, which is called the wire feeding button, and this red light should come on. Now what you're going to do after that is take your plastic that you're going to put in there and put it into the wire feeding hole. You're just going to click it in there and then wait, and it should stay in place unless this is really heavy. And then you're just going to wait. You're going to click again, and then you're just going to wait. You might be able to hear a small humming sound, very, very small, and then this light will turn green. After this happens, you're going to click the wire feeding button and you're just going to hold it. And then if you look closely, oh, my wire fell out. Sorry about that. I'm going to grab that. It fell on the floor. Oops. So what you're going to do, I'm just going to put that back in there, is you're going to click the wire feeding button and you're just going to hold this and let it go in. So, as you can see, if you look very closely, the plastic wire is actually going into the 3D gun. You can't really see it on the video, but it is. And you're just going to let it keep doing that until it gets all the way to the bottom and until it comes out of this nozzle. So just keep holding that button and keep guiding the plastic into place. And yeah, we'll wait until it comes out of the nozzle. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, I have got some stuff coming out of the nozzle. Sorry, that is a previous blue. I was previously using blue, but it will come out as green. So after you've got stuff coming out of the nozzle, you're just going to press it on the paper, and then click and hold the wire feeding button while you do this, and then just draw. And as you can see, it is actually drawing, which is really cool. So I've got blue right now. You can adjust the button over here, the little slider, and now we are just going to draw. So you draw like a normal pen. You gotta make sure to press it to the paper, or else it'll do weird stuff like that. So if you want to be like completely accurate, just press the pen on the paper. Okay, so now that you guys have learned how to turn it on and actually use it, sorry, I got this little annoying piece stuck on my pen there. Okay, so now you've got that all done. To actually stop the pen, do not just unplug the power cord. What you want to do is you want to, sorry, let me get rid of this extra stuff coming out of the nozzle. You just want to click the wire unloading button. You just want to click it one time and hold it. And then as you can see, the wire is actually going out of the pen now. And this is important to do because if you don't do it, then it will become stuck in the motor. And then once you take it out, it should be kind of stringy, but it does come out. And oh my gosh, this is a really long string. Ah, it's stuck on my hand. Okay, so after you've unloaded it, all you want to do is just unplug it. And then there you go. Don't touch the nozzle for a while because it's still hot, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, as I would greatly appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Yeah, have an awesome day, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Okay, guys, as you know, I just changed my name to Samantha35 from Aerospike99. I'm sorry if that creates any confusion, considering that my old videos still have the name Aerospike99 on them. But from now on, it's just gonna be Samantha35. So I would also like to thank you guys so much for 52 subscribers. I know it says 51, but since the last time I've checked, I actually got another subscriber. So thank you so much. We managed to hit our goal of 50. I am so happy about that. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, let's cut to the outro.